Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable typing insights features on Windows 11. So first thing to do, you can click start icon and jump into the settings. Here you can click on time and language. Here there is a typing option, touch keyboard, text suggestions and preferences. Click it. Here we go. This is typing insights. View your typing and correction history. So you can enable this typing insights in order to see how to overview your typing history. Windows is using AI to help you type. So to help you save time and type efficiently, Windows can learn to suggest words, autocorrect spelling mistakes, and interpret swipe typing. So here I just enable this, so there is no history here, but if you already turn on this typing insights, there are some history for you, like auto-completed words, suggested words, a keystroke save, spelling correction, and swipe words. For more detail, you can click get help. Feel free to try to enable typing insights. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.